Don't miss this 2011 Ford Escape. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a blue exterior. With 18,696 miles, you'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Contact Zimmerman Auto Group at 800-325-1966 and see this vehicle firsthand.